Good day. Now this time let's recall the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so let's enlarge this one. This is 30. Okay, so how does Pythagorean state? Now in our Pythagorean theorem, it states that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Now, Pythagorean theorem is only applicable if the triangle, okay here, if the triangle is a right triangle. This can be used if it's not a right triangle. Okay, so let's have now the triangle. Say example, this one. Now, this angle here measures 90. So, while here, this is our A, this is our A, that's angle A, angle B, and angle C. Now, the opposite of angle C, which is the largest angle, so that is the hypotenuse, or our C, side C. While the opposite of our angle B, that is our side B. While the opposite of our angle A, so that is our side A. Okay. Now, say for example, I have another triangle here. Say this is the right angle, and I'll name this one as angle A. This is the angle B and angle C. So which side is C? So again, that is the opposite side of angle C. So that is side C. What about angle A? What is the opposite side of angle A? So there. So we'll name that one is side A. And if this is angle B, the opposite side of this angle is side B. Okay? Now, are we going to use Pythagorean theorem? Now, if we're going to solve problems which are in a right triangle, so say this is the right angle. So say the given here is, this is 5. Okay, and this is 3. So we're going to find the measure of C, since that is the opposite side of the largest angle. So we will solve this one using the Pythagorean theorem, which is c squared equals, sorry, this is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Okay, and so our c is unknown, so we're going to solve it. Where in our a, it's up to you which one is your a and which is your b, because that is commutative. Because 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is still 5. So that is commutative. So we'll have here 3. For example, our a is 5. So we'll square 5 plus 3, which is our b, so we'll square b, which is 3. So c squared here is equal to 25 plus 9. And so c squared is equal to 34, right? Now since our c squared here is equal to 34, for us to find c, let's take the square root of each side. So we will get the square root of c squared and the square root of 34. So we can cancel the square here, the exponent of c, which is 2. So c then is equal to the square root of 34. Okay, so that's how we're going to find the measure of RC. What about if, say for example, let's have another triangle here. Say this one. Say triangle, okay, and say this is the right angle, and the given this time is the C. C and one of the sides. Say this is 4, this is 2. So we're going to find this side. Knowing that this is a right triangle, so we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. So RC is given, which is 4. So this is 4 squared is equal to, say our unknown is B. 2 squared plus B squared. So how much is 4 squared? It is 16, right? What about 2 squared? That is 4, correct. And then B squared. So we're going to combine like terms, like 16 minus 4 is equal to B squared. How much is 16 minus 4? So that is 12, right? So 12 is equal to B squared. Therefore, B squared is equal to 12 using our symmetric property. And then we'll take the square root. So square root of B squared and then the square root of 12. So again, this will be cancelled. So this is now B. B then is equal to the square root of 12. And then square root of 12, 12 has the factors, which is one of the factor is a perfect square. And that is 4 times 3. Right? Okay. Well, let me use my text here. So this is 4 times 3. Okay. So 4 is a perfect square, and therefore, what is the square root of 4? So this D has the measure of 2 and the square root of 3. Wow, easy, right? Now what about if the known is A? So you still have the same process as B. So I do hope you learned something out from this video. Good luck and thank you so much. Bye.